What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon from JVTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I know it's been a while, man. Like, I apologize. Our last video was what? Probably 4 months ago?
Yeah, it was last year, a minute ago.
Last year?
Yeah, man, 2022. It's 2023.
Wow, I'm gonna get better at that, man. But you know, life happens. Wow. Okay, guys. But we're gonna change that. JVTV's back. All right, I'm back with my special guest Trevor. I'm going to be showing him some songs that he might not have heard before. Today in this video, I think I'm going to let you check out Lynyrd Skynyrd. Have you heard of them before?
I have not.
So just by the name, like, what are you expecting just by that name?
I would think maybe rock music, maybe
okay.
like more like hardcore, like rock and roll type
okay,
of music.
Okay, yeah. That's a pretty good guess, guys. Today we'll be checking out Freebird. This is a song. I remember when I first heard this song, like it surprised me a bit. So let's see your reaction to it. We're gonna jump on straight into this, guys. This is just gonna be the audio, and we're gonna check this out together, man. Lynyrd Skynyrd, Freebird. All right, let's check it out. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I'm just leaving it at that. Like, what you think about from the beginning to where we're at now?
So I like the music. When it first started, I was like, okay, instrumentals, cool. Instrumentals sounded good, and I was thinking, like, before the vocals started, I'm like, all right, this is all instrumental. And then the vocals came, and it was like soft rock, you know, kind of like soft rock and roll, which is the complete opposite of what I was, you know, predicting before. I thought it'd be more hardcore, like, you know, rock music, little, just come from the name, of course, but I liked it.
Yeah.
It reminded me of like the 90s.
The 90s music.
Yeah, like 90s music.
Yeah, I really love the riff of this. Like that guitar, like from the beginning to where you're at now, that's all guitar. That's all guitar.
Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, that was awesome. Yeah, I immediately thought it would just be like really hard sounds.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and it wasn't, and I was like, all right, I like this too. So this is cool.
And you know, like, the message of the song, like, he just want to be free. Like,
yeah.
I feel like he's dealing with this girl, and he's like, yo, I wonder if I leave right now, like, if she would even notice or care. You know, there's still so many things you want to do.
Yeah.
Like, it just feels like he just can't be there anymore. No. So, so far I love it, man. Like, just the build up is just smooth, like, pleasing to the ears. Definitely not what I was expecting the first time I heard it.
No, and I see the cover or like a picture of him, and I see like bones and everything, like their name is got in bones, and I'm like, yeah, if I saw that also like prior, I'd have been like, yeah, definitely,
definitely hardcore. But yeah, I'm gonna run it back because I don't want to mess up the flow for you. Yeah. But we can get back into it.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can turn it up some more. Let's see. Oh, it's all the way up. Okay. In this world you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. This is something I can just sit back and just like listen to like any time of day. like the workout. I know it was killing you. I know it was killing you. Wow, like my foot been stomping the entire time. I don't know about you, but what you thought about that transition?
So that part is definitely my favorite part. I was thinking about I can't play a guitar, but I was imagining myself like playing Guitar Hero like from back in the day. It was fun. I mean, I liked it. It's cool. When did this song come out exactly?
This from the 70s.
Really, the 70s?
The 70s. So, like, yeah, I remember when I first heard it too. I'm just like, that. This caught me off guard because I'm here chilling, like, you know, it's calm, it's chill, like, all right. But then when they switch that,
yeah,
when they change it, just like it's mind blowing to me because I'm imagining him playing the guitar like it's how fast it was.
Yeah.
And I like how the way the drummer just like kept pace with it too. But I think the star of this for me was the guitar.
Yeah.
Like it just sounded like
that is.
Like nowadays, like you won't hear guitar playing like this.
Nah, you won't. A lot of times it might be like like pre-recorded, like maybe thing. This is, you can tell it's real instrument.
Yeah, but they're actually like
they're playing it.
That the skill level that's needed to do that.
That's
and
tough.
then it wasn't just one thing. Like it to me just impressive. Like I admire this.
It's very cool.
But yo, this is
it's a long song too. Like we've been listening to them jam out.
And it's crazy because this used to be like one of my running songs, like when I'm doing a mile.
Okay.
Because it would start off, but once it gets to this part, I'm like really amped up. It like gives me the extra push to like get through it. But I just had to show you this, man. Like this is this right here. Like who was expected? I know you were listening.
I wasn't expecting it to get like that. Honestly, at the beginning, I expected it to be maybe a little bit faster, obviously a little more hardcore, like I mentioned. But as we listened to the halfway point of the song, I was like, okay, this is just gonna be like kind of like a soft, kind of. I like the lyrics and everything. It's cool, feeling free, and that's what I thought I was gonna get for like I guess the rest of the song, and then eventually it just switched up. That surprised me.
I think that's what most people were expecting. But this definitely amped up the song in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like on another level too. Like.
Yeah.
But we're almost at the end. Let me put it back a tiny bit and let's finish it out.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't believe that they kept this up from midway point all the way to the end, like non-stop. It just pounds at you like non-stop, back to back to back to back.
It did. Some real skill right there. I mean, super talented guys for sure.
I've seen them perform this live too.
Really?
Yeah.
Where? When?
It was a performance. I forgot like which festival it was, but it was like way back. I think it was back in the 70s. They did it live, and it sounded pretty good live too. So they are a pretty good live band.
Okay.
But yeah, they have some really good songs. This is one of my favorites from them, Freebird. This is the very first song that I heard from them. But yeah, to me, like they're a solid group in my opinion.
Yeah.
But yeah, so how you feeling? Like, was this something you listen to again?
Yeah, I'd be interested to see, their albums and other really popular songs of theirs. Be willing to check that out. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is one of their most popular songs.
Okay.
But yeah, they have some really good bangers in my opinion. But yes, guys, this was Lynyrd Skynyrd. You know, when I first heard, I used to call him Lynyrd Skynyrd because the name.
I see. Yeah.
But it's pronounced Lynyrd Skynyrd.
Nerd.
Yeah, Lynyrd Skynyrd. But yeah, guys, this was Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. You guys, let me hear your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. If you have any more of their songs that you'd like me to let him listen to, let me know down below. Or even songs that you want me to listen to from them that I haven't already reacted to. Let me know down below in the comment section. So final thoughts. Any final thoughts you want to put in there?
Awesome. True talent. I love the song. I'm not a big hardcore rock person. Like I do like, you know, rock music, but I'm not like a hardcore guy. So this kind of was like the type of song that, you know, like, hey, I got a rock song I want you to listen to, or something like that. This would be, you know, kind of like down that. All
right. Yeah, I think for the more hardcore stuff, you gotta like ease your way into it. Cause it took me a while. Cause I started out with mostly like soft rock, and eventually I worked my way in. But I think once I get you to that, like, and you start hearing the more hard rock sound, you're gonna be like oh wow, like, you know, because honestly, right now, probably I don't know your full opinion on it, but you might think like hard rock is just a bunch of screaming, like it just like, what do you think about?
I don't think that necessarily. I just think like it's. I guess I do think that, maybe.
That's all. Yeah, I mean, I know, because I used to think that.
I was trying to think, it's like, nah.
I used to think that, especially once we get into metal, yeah, you're gonna be changed. But all right, guys, this was Freebird, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Where can they find you?
Forever Trevor, Instagram. Yeah, all one word. YouTube. Working on that, coming soon.
Okay.
We'll share with you guys.
All right, and I'll leave that down below in the comment section. But guys, JVTV is back. Like, comment, and let me know what you guys like to see next. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Magic Flash, Mr. Cash, LL,